wumua ekosi next year January maybe I will be ano papa go furniture ewo ho edimam papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture enkonya papa papi.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting for your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola.
Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you.
Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello, your friend is of Mamina na Hayford. Me yen century, Messiah actress, and then you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medwuma dinti, ma po me den ho hia me papa, na se ban ma po me den ho dia. And one Jifax mixture. Bonje, Jifax mixture nti, mitimi jina pabwa tenten so. Just say Jifax mama your best mwa kasa. Mini abema. Ebama wusuwa ye be mama pa. Senti ameji Jifax Mr. Tumpreko peni se. Edro no hote ye di afa abefu nimdie kwanso. Eni fidie wonwosuom ena ye ne friendship kroje. Ye nunti ma ye resadie. Enu wane Jifax mixture. Na momitie enye ma penfo oba a oma akwala nofo. Ana akwala onyenya emfie dumienu.
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
Jifax mixture. Pa.
Yamisha said that would jebre. Because me try me ho aba was say mami mfrubi na mfrubi nyami won shroud. Just me ho dokra na ehye wakomam keke no. Ehye me crying eno na motivate me. I say ene me say mre. Me kwa just say me saka me superstar bi wati say me ni age abroso. Me superstar. Just say in fact, odro TikTok dia waji baby ya aboso. Enye TikTok nko just say amono ne Ghana ha baby ya. Osusu say eye hwan ya. Oye actor, oye businessman, oye influencer. Ha. Osha eye hwan ya. Quecy official. Eni me papa kumchacha. Ena nyankasa me hene baako. Nana, mwen ko mwa kwaba. Ye, abuzina pam choma munyina kwabo. Papa kum. What's up?
Mommy.
Now ko Canada dey just say na say mento nkan ba bia. Odi krom ha just say na hadjo.
Sir.
Papa wa osha.
Me na me show my so.
So wa osha.
Bibia boko de.
Bibia boko papa la we.
Adom ne do so ho efe kama pa.
Papa di jawa wan sha compliment ade be mama ne yen sorry wa.
Oh, why so beautiful, fantastic.
Wow ya. Yamisha pa. Pa just ko e bia boko.
Awo bibia e ko.
Be dru Ghana so. Asori ni bibia e ko.
Bibia e kama pa.
Ena mi anka sa me nana boko de.
Ami adom.
Ahindie no, business no, ebusua no, chese bibia e ko so kama.
Ogbad.
Chese na nsen die be hu na nate ha na nate chese GTV ni radio ni ba bia aboso. Se bibia e ko so de.
Ni force we dwuma doso. Oye ni nyina.
Da ko ese me chiltena se na me interview.
Obesu.
Mesu. Eno na me pe. Because na wonwuma doso na so utimi ye ni nyina. Nyame won hira o.
Yankopon ahihia amayense eno na ye de bebo afoforo
na mo de bebo
to me ye ho ahoden a abre na ye be sori ayese adwuma
ko won hira what said that ne da to nsafre wa wo de odo ne anije e bebo aye na me ankasa me super hey gosh Cash. Debbie and Nosso. Superstar. So, just say, hey, the batch of Quecy. I was Quecy.
Nayas will feel me or check you.
Oh, Nasa Wawsha. Wawsha. And may not Papa Kumtacha Metobombo. Or no, I want some if you knew that. So I away. The batch of Busia for Lubia. Biaboko. In fact, we dress and hear me fair. How a coye, Papa. How our casa. How are we near ma? Just say, be too suffer the MC no. How are we je? How are you show? Just so be cruel so the MC so and our program so na ya kono na ye fe. Quecy official. We dian ka se sha da kem no. E dey say. Wo free hin. E fa na ko school. E busia fo ni nyina e wa hin.
Nti me dian ka sa de me I'm from the Ahins family. Me papa de Ahin. Auntie, my brother dia medical school Shadrach Ahen.
Shadrach
Lawson.
Okay.
My papa na ede Ahen no. Fie Quecy. But on say di na Ahen na Quecy na kwa fancy bi but me asante.
Because can baby so say Quecy di fancy for na tie etu Quecy. Na say wo san de Quecy. Na say fancy.
Quecy.
Okay.
Quecy. Enti Quecy I think say obi a oni me pa obe from me Quecy.
Okay.
But Quecy I think along the line no e be free because of school ne classmates international Shadrach no e be take over for a while. And then I think that when time elapsed no you san call back to Quecy without the pa. But omo mu name no they call me Quecy. Yes.
So that is o free here ankasa.
Me free Kwabre Breman.
Kumasi
Breman.
Okay.
Bremana ye free. Bremana me free. Me papa free offenso.
Okay.
Offenso amori.
Aso.
And ya tena Kumasi ya hwa ni nyina ye wo ye. Kwabre heman. Hwa ni tena ye. Nti
mo ye nuanom dodo say.
Ye for.
Okay. Emma two.
Oba one.
Okay.
And kwa any birthday.
Oh, aso.
Nti a happy birthday to Miss
Abby. We dey show camera ni na wish ni mama.
Hi Miss Abby. Or very stubborn. I think say on any amongst four of us na oba no mom na any would mechi too. Wherever you are, I want to wish you a very happy birthday to you. Yedo. Then we want you to grow and become the lady we all pray you become. Nti for me na me pening.
Oh wow.
Yes, me na me pening ti me ensa di mechi. Emema bema baako na Abigail abana next of kin so aba. Me a bachelor's degree holder, me a graduate from the University of Education Winneba. Jam say we school and nemwa yen shede nya adwuma papa bia anya ye di wura social media say yen kwhwade e wo social ne so a ye de nemwa ene na ya asafre me a my fefa na ya
so Quecy everybody and I would decide it's over to home from mama and papa we busia for
so all my life I think most of my life no I haven't been with them. Me mama and papa you go for your man go school. But they value education. And then the point say I realize is say the omo enya sa akwenya no anko school. Me mama drop it out from school I think class 3. Me papa dey I think so we GHS and I say GHS 2 no so the area.
Okay.
But I think say omo benya the importance Tim Papa for so long for so many years now as I see on Toby because o make sure say whatever income or making or the yen na ebe school so you see I'm not gonna say me a graduate me she by a graduate Mensah Boaku level 300 or university or training college.
So
yes and last one is so Ghana Telecom University enti omusika na omode bakoton eyentade na omukakoton enyoma no they made sure say they invested everything in us inti from primary all of us boarding house GHS boarding house SHS boarding house universities inti me share that pan time me spend it with my parents a vacation inti I think say Nyankopon so dia ode eche omo no I think say he God gave my parents the best kids. Everybody is intelligent one way or the other. I mean, some of us go school with scholarships and all of that. I think say They've done well.
They've done well.
They've done well.
Dear, I mean, make us a parent, be ya, and I'm and I'm I prepare and I would decide, and I say, a bow must say, about TikTok, no, as so. Now I cited no so Juma Ben Potty, and now we young son, I would TikTok.
So I think TikTok there, everybody came on TikTok during the COVID era.
Okay.
Time na yen na board na she share them my share them bow. Ekoni di bawadi no. So those times na ba TikTok, but it was just a normal me that time me nim say if be influencing. Me the ana say me we that time me we university. Me am national service nti. Ekwan ben na me fa so me nyi juma and all of that. And no na me hwe TikTok that time na me ba na me hu say obi a video be me fe na ma ye bi. E won trend nipa be utimi jiro ho no a video na nipa tre ahwe. E no unya ten a u jump na say u free straw.
Yeah.
It's 2023.
Yeah.
Latter part of 2023. And me share say Charlie TikTok. You also find it serious.
What started 2020 COVID time?
Yes, so, but now very dormant.
Yeah. So 2023
ending around November.
Okay, October, November, December.
Yes.
You see who that we remember 2020.
And I'm here.
Okay, so 2023
ending.
Okay,
the letter,
October,
the end
November, December.
Yes.
All right.
And me room. So I think say that time now me over 26,000 followers. Okay. I think say me build it up from Day Trash. Time when me call TV3 Day Trash, you know. And I meet me the build it number of following no or me TikTok.
Okay.
But it be very dormant for a while.
Wow.
Until 2023 ending. And I think the Ghana's most beautiful. We a grand finale, no. Now my sentiment to be a person me share. So Nayas idea or ye me feel sanko ye see and kebeboa. Me feel so ye see our beboa. Ubi or name yajun, ubi or name yajun. Ye be my betcha or margining. So I started picking on issues, national issues, talking about national issues. Now my chair margin. Now my jar to Jose. Say that me drink. Send also so drink. Free or no. And a PK, then I started getting the attention. Okay. People love the submissions now, me making no. And then Obia or a fan of that reality show, no, so no to me share the experiences and all of that. And from there, no, and the Quecy official brand, no. And Monyambe moi epijai.
Okay. Yeah. So before na ejuma be yankasa na wo ye na wure mu no. E ho no wure fi.
There we am National Service of Ghana Atomic Energy Commission.
Hacho. Aso.
Ti me we National Service no. Me papa ye efuom ni. Why na e ka bia ma me afa me. Ghana is interesting. I mean, so me we ye no na ni la so ni ho. And a national service time na me movie back many so 2020 just say we back now or say me come back to baby I'm free by because ejuma bi any why be sustain me work. So I got an opportunity to be an administrator for a hospital Hacho
hospital
Onyx clinic.
So
yes, medical superintendent now or Ghana Atomic Energy Commission hospital. And hospital Gayek anka sent me am famine. And no case say dey obema me ejuma wo on any private hospital so man be administrator
before the now
into that time ni nyina na e ho na me hyen kakaka na a few me call me nya opportunity run University of Ghana into see at the ejuma University of Ghana alongside with social media.
Wow.
So we ejuma University of Ghana staff University of Ghana
ejuma be na wo ye
me wo University of Ghana Enterprises Limited. Yene in charge of the hostels. And it's obenya dying, unya admission now obenya dying or campus.
Wow. So combining what TikTok, nothing be as a your videos with frail. I mean,
I think my job is one of the most flexible. Like the ever flexible job I mean as a content creator. Any major man you run a shift.
Oh, okay.
There are times I will off.
Okay.
There are times I'll call morning, I'll call afternoon, I'll call night.
Okay.
In the time I make call night, and it means I have the full day to do whatever I want to do.
Videos.
Make call afternoon. I have the morning to do whatever I want to do. Me call you and me point you in the night and so make me whatever I want to do.
Okay,
they come on so I come on after 2 my pon. The 2 me ko nyina meet me whatever I want to do.
Sika matesi ese TikTok no senia mo say we serious wo muni ade chese wo de ade to ho na ko baabi ane yesi sika wo mpa it will share comparing with juma na we your hospital no is it Legon right and ne meka say TikTok oh yeah I say me say siamu enti say ano sika do say na wo nya wo a month.
We are me.
Sika do so okay, that is it. Me talk infinity every month which is infinity. Let me talk a Benz.
No.
C-class.
No. So the truth is that Sika or TikTok, but Sika ni TikTok.
Wow, ni say huntia.
TikTok in Chiaoka to sell video a go viral on J $500 and I say J 10 cities.
Na saying any pete.
Enti usu ene wo ban a wo de wo TikTok no de sika brew. The way I me carry me ho no. Obi to me reach out mama say the way I will share on near man ye me fenti me pese me won
so sponsor me
me won tade bi
okay
be say me de ma na wo share
okay
o sha obeje me say
okay o ye advert I mean advertising right okay
nti onim say me share the way I me share atade no obenya clients from that nti magie atade no free ma say age ne sika say me share na atade
oh
do you understand obi ton product
obi ton to ma obi sen ko fu
bell cola or the bell cola na brand
I mean oye aduane
oye restaurant
angel cola enye bell cola angel cola
it was the angel cola na brand me say menye ad man
okay
you come on
angel cola
because some say that mama cutting be
me patro me 15 kra me papa doctor Kuko tin say we are ma 15 daddy baby obi a nchaka se nkomo na CEO Mr Vincent and AB and ejuma comfort impedifuna
angel cola breme drinks
yeah minchwa no ono mo ye net say
me no
wonte
me no pa
ono mo okay wan say sugar bi anim
me the ice gu
cash
the yini a me glass ni ma na me hwie ni to bitime no ma na kese
eno ano
but me bra ya ade we mama say ya advert bi wa nti ko nyi ade na ehye
free na sakata
because you advert
okay me patro you
enye no
me patro nyame nhira o anye brand nti yenko nyame nhira
or the product in the brand or the product in the brand
okay in short na che say obia
be the manoto ho a na ma okay say na meji nti me sika na menya o TikTok no ye say obia work it to you say me person advertise me na hwe me page a menye ade ba akope
bibia bi
me MC jobs me acting me fashion me we sika no I'm not stuck say content pen na me creative so when you come to my page I have diversities obenya bibia bi on my page that is what makes me stand out
impact ben na wenya since 2020 to 2025 impact ben na wenya abroad hura TikTok
dear
sha ene o previous abrabono ene sisia asesa TikTok asesa no
100%
wow
100% because sika anka meye adwuma say obi afa me adwuma say menye adwuma like say Nayas afa me adwuma na me obetua me bosome no sika menya in a year no metime nya in a month from TikTok.
Wow,
do you understand?
Wow.
Because ene my advert ama maje china my obi ene ya my advert be 3 ni nyina maje je sika menya no me so ya no pa kwa adwuma no pa wia me ba be da me ba be mabre tro.
It you person chire say TikTok no ene ye o bigger and our biggest achievement.
Yes, yes, because TikTok sika TikTok dey ama me no me ka me adwuma for 5 years.
Yes wetimi ato efie nyina wo Tazako e wo TikTok. Oh yes. Oh yes, just say it's say mommy need daddy na omonsha dan ni bi yes anam TikTok so why properties be bree am bi animunyam ni bi aso omo so I so omo ti be kama ene abusunya ni nyina eno ho asem te say
me ba cho mented da
Won't say that.
Oh, sir. But I don't think so.
It's alleged.
I'm still a work in progress.
Okay.
I'm still growing.
Okay.
I think say there must be a very active with TikTok here what a year ni. Into Africa na master.
Oh really?
Into I think say I'm still putting things in place. Sa nyoma na omo kane yedie ne fa hodie no ebe babatenya mai.
Ada na ya na dress it is oba. Tem bia say oye ho to say oba with me little nkaba wash a rig na wash a mass shake ho and I'm sadly man sunti a lot of people 99 people and 99% attack us say gay eno and what's me pacho eda internet ni so because as o dress say oba one no my yenti say e content keke and na say fe na ye ofe and ya na person ko for I don't know.
So I think said I make kind over my page, so I have so many things going on.
Okay.
And I think that cross dressing for content started by around 6-7 months ago.
Okay.
Not me pe ohinini adazoa. Not me penasem.
Okay.
And I mean who say uncomfort in the sound. A year videos.
Oh.
But now in a very comical way. And yeah, something very, very catchy. I said on any breast I'm going for as a more faba with the agro be normal the filter be. So I decided I'm an actor. So I decided say I can do this.
Okay.
But I was thinking about and send be sending a okay can. I don't know.
And you na make it.
I mean, said you so no account man.
Some na me be
sa. Now can no fit intimate.
Okay. Oh, but we TikTok na so. Maybe cross scandals be brave by yes and now we again na cross ansem ho no. E no me say say na me pesa o clear e mama.
So
it's because of adazoa
me fa and na oyo mame.
Okay.
Min dress it said my dressy.
Okay.
The humor in the whole video will be left out. Do you understand? Yeah, I think say me by a video say me jai when these things started popping up. Me say me jai. The number of people
are. If I share screen this one, any year share no. She say wash share. She say oh God wash share. Hey, Erade, where do you escape?
Yes,
oh no, this is serious.
So I have a lot of people almost share video where a helium. People prefer my version of these videos, these Adazwa videos to the original one. Okay. You also on the uncle video,
okay.
Or trying say people be
Quecy
tagging me and analogies.
Okay.
And I mean who say this is what brings food to my table.
Okay.
Me jai na me dinipa no china nieme bia me this doesn't harm anybody in any way.
Okay.
It doesn't harm anybody.
Okay.
And then yet on a normal day, Nayas, you know, you wouldn't see me dressed in a ladies. And I'm in Kasati say oba, me elba but when you see me, sometimes you see this video and you don't even and you see me in person, you can't believe say me.
Okay.
Because there's
what to no shadows near their concealer.
But I mean it's content creation, so I think people should just accept say content creation.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay. So you perceive say entire na ya na ODS. Oh mama no secret.
Miss Abby, my kid sister no.
Okay, sister.
Yes.
It's in your money from A to Z ni nyina.
From accessories, but hair no.
Okay.
Sometimes I get people are omo catch them say Quecy be say sir na me born straight be Regis makeover. Born straight be na e wapa etu. I think say was 9,000 back here 9,000 back here 6,000 or time me no the brand me say me fanya video.
Sure.
Just so me anga some more weeks be 7.
Okay.
And now a man be say oh no see to go on tour
okay, but oh yes na ye to
people they buy it. They do buy it.
As a man now who ye advert papa a man ho ne ma advert no na ye beto de something else.
No, because of how a man putting it on.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Atade e hye me e feme boa.
Yeah.
Obi be hye wo kon no se wo be hye sa atade we bi. Mi gina mu a.
Kwe.
Enimonyam na edware me watade mu.
Papa meba wo so sesia na na che se de wo kan die. O se we adwuma wo ye no. Eno na edi sika.
Yeah.
Edi I mean ene brews kama unya bi edidi edi support ye busua de. Okay de na che se bibia ye de bebre wo bia se ye gay.
Okay.
say yes be ade boni bia
okay
say cocaine tom say bibia no obi atum say obeye
no say oba we obi a follow me TikTok
okay
you would realize say I am a very positive person. I don't do anything contrary to Emra.
Oh.
And as a video I'm addressing this obey. There's no way I may make us say be a money gain to in that video.
Okay.
I am just reenacting another person's character.
Oh.
So when you see me in a video like this, the one that is playing, this is not Quecy official. Okay. This is Adazoa.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
And there is no way, and whatever I'm wearing, whatever I am included in is portraying a female character. Okay. Not to say Bema should be like a woman. That is why I'm able to show this.
Okay, what dresses
Bema? Because I am a man. I identify as a man.
Okay.
So when you see videos like this, I am portraying somebody's character. Okay. So you'll be our follow Madia and I say Tyler Perry. You see Tyler Perry say or a great actor. Okay. Sometimes or a kokra, sometimes or a brewa, sometimes or a mame.
Madia na wo kana sem minchawano. Some Madia de sebe ono ane de abeto so say wono de wo ye wo ba.
No, I'm not talking about Madia now or TikTok. I'm talking about Tyler Perry.
Oh, okay.
Yes, or your United States.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Not just any reasons.
And yes, this is what brings food to my table. I don't insult on my page. I don't abuse people on my page. I don't throw people on my page. Whatever I do on my page is very, very reasonable. Brand.
Okay.
I don't do anything inhuman. I don't do anything instigate and you may be into the fact that I'm saying say me we say no and say ubia fabia
na so be kwako fabia okay nyame onsham pacho me sign about ho wadaro man papa pacho edidi mu abre mu na nam so mre
me dase em say obo adwuma in fact obo adwuma nti ya me kan say onyame inhira no na nyame enye ne kase on say wo hwe movie mu ne ade a on say yetumi de obi ye bayefo e obra onye bayefo
okay
yetumi de obi eyo konfo e obra onye konfo
bi ti say konfo colleague say onye konfo
thank you
ba say no obi ehu na ya asem o
na hu ti say obi ti say che wa say ya on say wo hwa nani eden editam bia ba bi ani eden ne eyi bi wo no
obi betimi atena aka say na ya ase de nani so hye so be na down to earth okay
thank you enti no me feel say the chile mu na wo chile mu na to asom because ye nyina ye na ma ye ti bi o Quecy ye gay Quecy ye say
yes and ye
so no obi ya wo ye won dem
okay
what for them
to TV so
thank you
okay
sadi ya no obi ya wo ye won dem
okay enti Quecy eye gay kura na ye
dabi o what na dabi adan
na onya nya obedi ehun so ye gay
oh okay
because
na to me bomb
no the soft kum cha me unu say enkrafo be kan ake
okay
yes ye okuro mu wada bi ya yes
okay
that na me kan say bi oba bi say aso obi o wa soft kum cha me tu e wo hu me da enso e bi asem obi ake e wo me hu no e da litirim soft no yes wonye
yes prophet power pem
yes me nyama di wo yele da bi ma be di wo yele ma be di ba
papa pacho national ma be fa wo yire ana se ma be fa
ko so na me ye den ye o se wonam wo obi aka bibi so fukum chacha ye so onye pacho ma twitu aba wo dan mu
ana ma be bo apo da
ma be bo apo be twitu e dia be sesa wo ne amada ana wo busua pani ekoto mu kokoo fu no na me ka ho na me wo busua pani koto mu kokoo fu wo jiska tinya me nya no e ye wo bi na ka na wo de agu asom na wo de nam e bi anipa no kora na wo ka no kora no na on pemasem na what time what must say eti ebi ne mini Quecy die ya wo kan sabe kuromu wa no ugidi a na wo peja
ene enya ho nsem
ene enya ho asem
ye pese ye bre wase
ye de ne ma ba target wo ro wa ma woni anya de na sa wan ko wani mu a wo ba twe abo wachi what must say ye be di sofo a ye ba nyam dwuma mu no sa ye wa sofo bebro wa mitumi mo ndin wa ha Ghana wo ye si so ne ade no ye ni ade ne ye da so ginam what I say won wa no wani nya de ni nyina won atoto fom ama bi kura wu ene ade eti no onyele na ho adwuma wo bo no obo adwuma ena de oye no sabe on me bo dawro nka se obi nkoye gay obi nkoye se eye ni business or branding na ho sabe ade no ebe koso eti na wo yasa
papa dwen se etiamra
Ghana constitution emra be ne
na say ya wo be ma na yes dresses to se be ma na we are no we frantum we fraslite nkaba na wa straight dress the man e magugugu ukon mu a rega kan no
I think say
na entiamra
no I think say the etiamra ene se wo be hu be ma nipa ya wo ne se wo ye be ma na wo be hu ni krom na wa fa ema afade.
Okay.
What any sooner no.
Okay.
But you will be a friend acting.
Acting, okay.
Acting said you know can say obinya bay for near so play bay for character. O ye ni ye said the che wa ye ni ye na also a bay for.
You.
Or a bay for free say otimi ye ni ye. And no ye acting.
Okay.
Do you understand? I don't wear lady stuff outside.
Okay.
And I'm a content na me creating.
Enti say me ntwa no ye ka say ebia she ma a pint with the Mr. Say be a fa chire bibi as
why say
o say be obi de ne brand be a
Victoria Majid
neba Victoria Secret for a pint and ma pint is a fair papa ye person ye branding ye person I mean kofo
it mean I mention
so na sha me pa try basa obetim so dey bibi a obeya
no I didn't say bibia
okay ntia basa dia you can't right
no you can't what will make somebody a Victoria's Secret whatever come to me say or person
say be an Brazia aba
or Brazia me I mean it doesn't make sense.
Oh okay.
Because enye me man e beto pant no.
Okay.
Do you understand? Pants underwear.
Papa no keka
ma ene she but so person me o te the rap not necessarily say she met me asom
okay
we G-string papa aba asia ne dokama magic
okay
and I never bad some be me ton o me ma mo ton
panties
o me say lo mo ton panties but some me be share no be ye ho demonstration dey me ye
panty dey be ma also mu a service
ya nua e woro
me say me yele me na me to panty e ma no
anya bone
me ba ye ma
mo cho mo ma ye nyina na abusia ye nyina
it say me draws ni mu na menye dollars dia abusia be de me nsa be biem e de a kire wi ase
it is na o ka se bibia o be
me share
na e me mani be bro na me si me yele pant me si me yele pant
no kra de woro wa me nya de woro ana bi e kasa ke
e bi e kasa
e bi de o se na ro me da wa se me
do be do se na ro me
me se da
e pa mo cho mi nyina
obi fa ne se ro de
e pa cho mi ba
onim
no kra ye di bom na
ne draws na ya
ya try home bra wa atadwe ene ya tsedenne therefore sebanu ufie nkonya papa paade a mitrem a furniture papa paade a eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hoodini won etitrufu wo Ghana promo ha ne abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afa yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo ho edemam papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture enkonya papa papi.
Hello, your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century, Messiah actress, and then you ma who do pee a keka, and na me juma dinty, ma po me den when me papa, na saban ma po me den when dia, and one chief fax mixture. Bonche, Jeffa's Mr. Nti, mitimi jina pabwa tenten so. Chese Jeffa's mama your best mwankasa. Mini abema. Ebema wusuwa ye be mama pa. Senti ameji Jeffa's Mr. Tumpre kopeni se. Edro no hote. Ye diafa abefu nimdie kwanso. Eni fidie wonwosuom. Ena ye ne Frenchem kroje. Ye nunti ma ye resadie. Enu wane Jeffa's mixture. Nemo mitie. Enye ma penfo. Oba o ma akwale no fo. Ana akwala onyenya emfie dumienu.
FDA ahwehwe saa egedie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ.
Jeffa's mixture. Pa.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting? For your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
I will say I had the year. That is a senior Nayas experiences are in some way in our win CB. A show cry. And I was threat. And many will cry and let the whole day Quecy me the route for Nanso experiences in life. You do see that effort to in crying share. In fact, I need Jesus so ever. Yet was see. And there be an young brain into me and focus. Fat shame me what's it? Aye. Entwaso ke wa worry mu nsem no dan say yet say why we no yire no presido Ghana for see mbisa say presido wona no ma worry no is it true and I say just agrobi keke presido ye wo de woni
I've never said it anywhere say ma worry means
no but mo ne ye ne mo bibia
I just say I worry
yes because my photo shooter my photo shoot boom patrol screen so mama wada room and that so no we traditional marriage if you any ade I just said that baby also wo chekawa and no so chekawa but that time no mo pamntare ba ko bom ni ade chekawa so photo shoot here that so yi mo de dada Ghana for ya adwene ana se na mo pese mo trendy ana se de
I think say Ghana for ankasa no mo pasem
ye pasem okay
esrasem can bia mo de mo hwani yansem kansem a mo feels you speak into existence na mo pe say it should manifest
okay
me gina ba bia anka say ma ware akosuya me ware I'm not married
okay
she's never mentioned anywhere say ware
okay
obeye photo shooter na wa share corseted dress and na Ghana ha na South Africa enim say obi share atade say onim corseted dress
oh come on
obi share corseted dress enim say wo ware ana bibia special occasion
for advert
and all year what tagging go for say or turn na wo say the way na na why fair no die or ware
it munde ti da
yeah we are dating but we are not married.
Question.
But if you're dating somebody, you're not married.
It's not just a winning presido.
Yeah.
So. Of course, now it's a mobile worry because photo shoot. There is no way as a winning panini BB, and it's not Ghana.
We are in a relationship. We are not married. And a picture we now who I have a fair fee. Vendors about we can take me 50% in him, jewelries me 50% in him, and go 4 team.
Okay.
Makeup a hair for aba, can take for aba, way for aba. I a business. I am a business person. Some picture ya who know hey, yeah tongue, and ya may what picture in your tongue. The studio not the trap picture in your tongue. Your tongue can tell your tongue way. Ya tie your money now. I see it. Any intro happy marriage caption baby ya. Wo na hu say enipa oba ne be magina ho nti omo ware wa wasem nya afa na me betwe phone asimanim abechirechirem san komo ne nyina ayekoso ne ma me ye relevant
enti ade na wo hu presido hu a e ma wo de kose ne pe
beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder no one can
obi a wo de ohun no oba ho de pe no
ne ho ya me fe ne ho ya me nika
Ghana for your person okay the person
na dia me de kwa akopɛ no
ne ho ya ofe ne ho ya we biem
eno a
wow etu busuafo age atom
me ngori no wo ma age atom ode etiti
me wo date obi a wontimi nkasa wo ni date ese wo hu na busua na ono so hu
wo ni obi date enti omo ame na omo date nyina na mako hu omo busua.
How long in you start date?
A few months ago.
How many months in you?
By 5 months ago.
It's only neti bom.
There be.
What's in the bed?
I'm wearing the medal national bom. Me Christian.
It's mba worried about.
Yen na worry ho.
Mo you na worry ho.
There be.
Kwasi.
We are still too young. Cause of which ha. Also be better say.
Me kwasi a.
Me bu ne kwasi a okwan be.
Be a no steady.
Steady.
Be a na.
Na wo so ye Christian a wa hia wo ba wo se ne ho ya wo fe ne ho ya ni ka. Wo se ne ho ya wo
ni ka.
Na what matsena sika. Ese
basa
odo ho Canada.
There be.
On can to so worry.
Okay. Na
problem be no.
I don't na problem be.
Oba de ko ware be ma na say one test ahwe. Na bedu no what is in ya.
Na wo ye ne den.
Akoro wasan san.
Na what dey amena mo nya adwen.
Aha.
Me ma ni be brada ne testing officers. Enso wo nya adwuma o DVLA. So ati say me test me dey end me e na wo ye oba. Na wa ma wani ya na wo pa
still sa.
wo ye say be social. Won be yosa, won be WhatsApp.
Okay.
Na panin tio. Ade na bi wo ho ana nya oba ne fort. E be ma bi kura be kono no Quecy.
Enya juma
na official so enya juma na so chere say what tasty
Nayas
what tasty
two tasty obi who tasty obi so
na also na tsena for some months
5 months me worry no
it worry
e di ntina me over se me worry
me pese there person who ya ofe 5 months what's worry
me ba
worry how many times in year personal say what should I say what the better about things some date and I was so ye Christo ni nti won't me but samare
be se menene
but some go sorry
na ya se menene
me ya ko si da ben
menene
na se time wo ma be hu se that time no wo
na ya special obi san say who say we ye Christo ni a ko cassette ye adwaman
bo
ti ba bro cassette
obi sam se menene dam se da bi
ba e da ka worry
so kan say wa
se da bi some go me so
say o person
for social video yi
and me person me stress and I
say was one way
papa wo betimi arre awo
because if you want to stand the heat no
okay nti they say yen hwe nda be na mo bere
na me adom ya wi amefro
me pa cho that rush
yeah we me share that invite
person we commentator
so be
say who that rush
but every me
do you go in
yeah because I know they any mom we TikTok no so
yeah
omo makoma
na ya so pe me
oh that's all a nice boy
and am
say
was me kosi amount
that be
me kosi amount
yes we be broken heart obenya broken heart say we dey trash no e ko see say oba na unya no wo
menya oba o dey trash o
okay and we ko see say wo call ye
dey trash dey 2020
okay
2020
and say we kran dem ma wo call bi wo call so a ni na ba fie
no that time na me free relationship mu fresh
okay
and okay anya me intention say me ko ho
okay
I think say na me obi won komo eho one of the onia
okay
presenters ni ti me ko ho I think I went too early me ko en na nipa na me ko hwehwe ni enyambae
okay
enti obi o mama konya o tena so a o engage me no say oh you are a very nice boy that time na me ko ejuma e na me ma fa hoti ma ka to so dada ma botai pre manager me te ho nti enkombodidie mu ana o say me wo girl na say o da bi na me free bi mu na no ye no say oh ne me ma obi me wo nipa so masi bi am na say ah sir tie did nkoma na o introduce day trash na de ma me na say oh that time kana na say oh da bi say me ba TV so say me pe e de da bi mintimi ti oni me di nkomo na
na
me yes say ade I'll go and try
but yes so call ye ne girls no wo she da fa bro nya ho every kokko bi
say Tembi okay say am because I say omo ohan mo
and somebody be bro hono ma ansa na ye be fro say ye no be ye interview ye akọ read who stories be ansa na ya ba be bisa wo eno e ho asem etese
menye no kre
deals do say na we start say yes what just deals in in fact be 50
bebre nyame adoma ye bie ye sign a new contract by God's grace. Spain City laundry e ba be jiga na hani wiase nyina aboso ye ncheme invite o ye ba be signing nti ba me take akonya we na me dey invite me father ene nana ye signing obviously gon ha me the details ne be ye signing you need I work with I work with
ben ene ba ya one giantum one signing e ba ne say na sika ni mo ha ana se na brand na wo mpe ana president na ka cho say deal we dey men sign
David Obiano obetima ka say sign and sign. Everything lies with me. And I think say sir omo ye bet no.
Pacho peja voice kakra.
Omo ye bet. Ebia me odd. Me ye odd. Sir
no dey
aba ene obema me 100 million kra me ntwa
enkan
me nya obi a me twa bi. Na eye tentative. Either say ebefbo ana embo eti me mfa manim
to mpedian edi
manim me se nipa mesi twa os nti kone ho na wakọ na anko enye sure banker mbacha te de meka na se but nipa na approach you because onim say wo numbers eti me mfa me page na nye sa anyoma to dey obema me how one of the things I would be obema me millions menye
ko for pe wasem pa e dey any secret ana wakoje drubi
debi omo pe masem because I am natural me fake me said me tie na sa na me tie it either say ompe me ankasa ompe ma asem ankasa but o obi a we nipa a odwene a me obi a am one of the nicest person you ever want to make friends with.
Yes e ma no omo kun ho pa apart from
go for cancer mo na mo kwanso na wote
egu social media so wakoye style
me ntibi
in fact egu what say ebi kura ho no ma kwei untimi nka nkyere me say ebi ma wo private use phone so
say na me di
kun ho pa odi say be
say be ma bia o eni woni pa bia ofo edu ba bia o mie wa no kore nka nkyere oba sa wo pe no onwa na eba but ni nyina na ya hwe yie what ma say udu ba bia enya wo na abekere wo ba say mepewo onwa na eba but ni nyina ya hwe yie
Asamna papa e kana no kre.
Nayas.
Nana.
Oya bema. Na wu. Na se mma nsu no yi ase a. Oya bema osipi.
Eti wani je ho sane a emma no kono.
Emma nsu bebre nso enye.
Emma bebre enye papa no asamna no ka no.
Emma nsu bebre di enye.
Emma nsu bebre enye. Ade na wode wa no abeto na wasade wa no
negative side. What I say, bema bi o wa da wo bewu nkwala ye de wo banko e ku 15. Ana 10 ade bronsama bodua na what say
na papa ni so 15 aye wo ma
one ngofo na wo 15
ngofo na wo wa ye kwa yi
wa hwe wo mo
ye kwa yi bi
ba ma ne ma so ba ne man kwa na timi ye
wo de nkwala 12 na bai wo bra na ne yele ne bro ne so ba bi akora aka se papa we
wo say papa mpa cho mi ntwa no me ba dodo
I intend David.
Uniba. It's we think ma go send abe.
Shime se me niba.
Okay. So be wo da be, yen hwe nim da be.
Me de me nyanka me wo SS time.
Wo ne presido na be wo.
Me nyame be che.
Wo ne presido na be wo.
Minti min che.
Quecy. O ho fe, eyi na hyehyɛ wo senso no. Eye den ti na ma ko hyehyɛ sa, fe pat.
I have spaces in between my teeth. Into braces. Is supposed to bring them together.
Nti say you know ye de show so as mo sele kwan
obiane ni motia or share braces. Go and say no bi abo apepe so. Obe say align but me de the spaces na wo mu no and am close.
But a fatal spaces ni still a fatal pa.
But me sure say me close so e be fatal.
After the wo no. Okay.
On say genes any hereditary. Me or spaces in between the teeth.
Okay.
But I don't say a normal.
Unjin di say yes wuntina.
Oh there be
free. Man
50 pesos. 25,000.
25,000 Ghana cedis. But you are free.
It's all to fear now. Seven spaces or Missimo. Ebe tu obi. Eni sebe enipa hunu. Na wa only upset because of maybe any person's intimate. Say me reach of. Intiadia unya 25,000. Okay. Enquire You be free my arm.
So it lasted for how many years and how many months and
in the next in the year 2 months ni. Okay. So in a couple of 6 months, close to 1 year, no, I was saying na a closey.
What's Marinam?
Mitimi nwe enam p.
Okay.
Mitimi nwe nkase enam, so it has to be very soft.
Okay.
It's more of swallow. Adi a swallow. Okay. But untimi ndine said ye okay. Because enye something over 30 years we unfamiliar. Okay. And all of a sudden, so when you be bisa oma, it change enyoma bi. Okay. So it will take some time and sana wa adjust it. Okay.
Uchu usia ufi listen. Usha sa
normal. Normal. Just that udi dia estake. Okay. Inti time biya no. So we are washing. Okay. So deliberately.
Na me see me bisa your time na so. Seconds. Per dia no bi dia yewa ayewo ya pa be kasa untimi fa nche ni paneda.
Obi anya hwe. Won kasa untimi nya hwe.
Untimi nya hwe. Abusu ni bi anya obi bu adamfo bi anya obi bi. Ura TikTok.
Don't hold grudges.
Okay.
Oya ma de na mani nya ho.
Na wa catch.
Ma catch. Me ni adaje am de wo ho amhwe me.
O ma me proud.
Very.
Wabusu yan for papa. I'm proud of you.
Very. Say you proud unim baby. I am proud of you.
And some ya kanyina kwe me pacho bonito fa to the wash off. Shame crime. Me pacho some ya kanyina padaroma. Me pacho o camera ni.
Okay. Abusan for Quecy official ni. Koma me no be for the last ne say dear what settle mind say obeyi bia hwem na ye incident ye nipa. Because a nipa obe pull you down obe kan sem bi ebe ma abambu but say uji di say de oye no e right na say e right nkwa dia focus on it ne jai bibia mu na manyankopon nya okane because say utie nipa no achi a ube jai wade pa bi ato ho na dachi bi omo asa be ka kire say nipa so masin kan ya yi anko yesi nyesi anko yesi so whatever that makes you happier entiety nipa bi afa ho die so no Koswa na ye na manyame enya okan.
Quecy for social media handles to na fa number bi a obi pe say bi a MC na bibi a mpacho fa number ne to dwa ye bre no.
Social media na ye Quecy official QUECY. Quecy official on all social media platforms. Se unhia me se one me enye bibi a o pese me meye advert ma o pese me nye MC ma wa DM me. Me be the number e beto so ma be frɛ me je o number na me frɛ say ye wa ampa. It's number na DM me obi a nkofo DM me pa me nya many messages but me what time am me checking in nti pacho send me a DM I'll reply.
Ya me jira papa pacho final words and
no say ja e den obi aye na ontumi mfenche no ana me de o mi sam sai bi
me pacho echi ye no be share that na se abon komo ankasa
ni anka me so me kan me de
pacho and when I wa de ye
me sika wonam wan ho
usika wonam wan ho me pacho e no de nya ha na ye be kan pacho na me sham pacho final words na fa number 2 jama ye
ba de ba mi chia na me so like Dr. Manfred Okofodia. Okay. Dr. Manfred baby I will be a nyame inshra na elade nyokase and I will be to me so follow me or TikTok or Kumchacha account. Okay. Kumchacha account. Okay. It will be to me.
Paper your number.
0542
Zelo
542 5128 0542 5154.
First now can zelos. I say o can 0.
Ah, ni nyina easy for this telephone. Ni nyina nko.
Me na say na number to find now. Well, send our telephone number.
Telephone number say
Ompe.
Ya me so me ka tell you tie for say. Bibia wan ka so pe won say e be boa wo daachi. Enye ade a ma wo bi wa bi. Okay. Ko yin na say an yo ma we ye tie yank ye ndu be bia ye du no. Cause any one step be able to be nipa be kan ho asem utumi no be kan ho asem ya me ka che ye nua no mo wa bontin se bia wo ye bia fa akoma pa ani nipa bia so be hia no for odo fa ehie nipa no na yankopon nan kasa be de be peja
nshamba pampa cha telephone number ndi wo nye wo ho ya misha yes dear
enne Sunday ye me boss bi birthday
okay we should mama ye bre na so pa cha second
lady Empress Janice, Princess Janice, or husband, and lay in birthday. Me bese me wishe no daddy, His Excellency, Mr. Champon.
Omega 1.
Omega Drinks. CEO of Omega Chocolate Drinks. The person me day and cheers from Kokra Ma. Na me wish you a happy birthday to you. Nyami show. Now ma osika bebre neti me boa afoforo.
Nyami on shamo sa me to on safra mo de odo eni di ebebe boa me. Me dem ase. Ebusia aha e na bre no ebe makwan ne di dwumadie no ye DSC na kai se wona wo bo me chi dom dani nyina e ye J-Fast mixture. J-Fast P capsules, Angel beverages, Papago furniture, ladies in collections, cute cat parlor, Kwadjo shoes, the boy fashion jewelry. Lady Princess, yenyina ye wish you a happy beautiful birthday. Nyame mo ho ban oni ukunu ebusuani nyina. Nyame wonhira mo. Dasane ye best sign. Eshia opese obo ye dwuma no ho dera yesro ye numbers no ene screen anim no bomodin afa na de opese ye toma bia no ebo no ewo form fabra ebe ye em bidia Nayas original ba kope na yesro ye kan bibi na ya no fom wo baabi anya wo de wo baabi a ye wo twasa onim se na chia fa che that's ane ye besen hia yakra